Muay Thai is a powerful martial art, but let's be real, it's no joke. You need some physical background like boxing, calisthenics, or bodybuilding. No experience? That's fine. Follow this 3-week beginner routine to build your base and get started. By the end, you'll be strong enough to train seriously. Let's break it all down so you don't just learn it, you master it. First, we have to understand the basics of Muay Thai. Muay Thai isn't just about hitting harder or faster, it's a calculated mix of attacks and movements. Here's the core of Muay Thai. Punches. The basics are borrowed from boxing but adapted for Muay Thai's aggressive pace. You'll learn jab, quick and sharp. A jab disrupts your opponent's rhythm and sets up other strikes. Cross, a straight power punch from your dominant hand. Hook, a circular punch aimed at the side of your opponent's face or body. Uppercut, an upward punch designed to catch your opponent off guard. Key tip: every punch begins in your hips. Rotate them to generate power. Don't just rely on your arms. Elbow strikes. Elbows are sharp and deadly. Master these 3 types. Upward elbow. Strike from below, just like an uppercut but using your elbow. Side elbow. Similar to a hook but delivered with the elbow. Rotate your hips for maximum power. Spinning back. Elbow. This advanced strike requires full body rotation. Start by stepping forward with your back leg, spin, and hit with your elbow. Practice. Shadow box with these moves or use a punching bag to build precision and power. Mastering kicks. Kicks are a core part of Muay Thai. Focus on these 4. Front kick. A straight kick that pushes the opponent back. Shift your weight forward for power. Low kick. Aim for your opponent's thighs or knees. Rotate your body fully to generate maximum force. Side kick. Strike from the side with full body rotation. Roundhouse kick. Rotate your entire body, aiming to hit with your shin, not your foot. Pro tip: flexibility is key. Add daily stretching to improve your kick height and power. Knee strikes. Knee strikes are unique to Muay Thai. They're great for close combat. To land a knee strike, first dodge your opponent's punch, grab their head, pull it down, and strike with your knee. Use knee strikes as finishing blows. They're risky if used too early in a fight. Now that we understand the basics of Muay Thai, we have to prepare our entire body to meet the brutal demands of Muay Thai. We're going to break down strength training, endurance, and physical preparation so you can build real power, speed, and resilience. Let's get into it. So, do you really need running and skipping? Short answer: yes. Here's why. Fighters run every day, covering 6 to 10 kilometers in the morning and 3 to 5 kilometers in the evening. Running builds leg strength, endurance, and mental toughness. It's like moving meditation, keeping you sharp and focused before heavy training. Think skipping is just for fun? Think again. It builds coordination, timing, footwork, shoulder strength, and cardio. Thai fighters often skip with heavy ropes, mimicking the weight and effort of real fights. You can vary intensity to simulate fight pacing, fast bursts and slow recovery. Strength training for fighters. Forget bodybuilding. Big muscles slow you down. Muay Thai strength training focuses on functional power, strength that translates directly to fighting. Core principles: basic strength, push-ups, squats and pull-ups. Speed, strength, explosive movements like jump squats and plyometric push-ups. Endurance, strength, high-rep, low-rest exercises that push you to the limit. Tendon training, strengthening tendons to absorb impact and prevent injury. Pro tip: the foundation of your power starts with your legs. Every punch, kick, and knee strike comes from the ground up. Building punching power. Power isn't just brute force. It's about technique and connection. Your legs, hips, core, and arms must work together. Here's how to train for power. Heavy bag work. Punch and kick with full force. Focus on technique and precision. Push-ups. Do them with variations. Clap push-ups, elevated push-ups, and weighted push-ups. Leg strength. Squats, lunges, and calf raises. Strong legs drive powerful strikes. Remember, good technique beats raw strength every time. Must-have exercises for every fighter. You don't need fancy equipment. These basics will make you stronger and faster. Push-ups, build chest, shoulders, and triceps. Do 10 to 20 between rounds. Sit-ups. Your core needs to be rock solid. Aim for 300 to 500 daily. Squat jumps, explosive power for kicks and movement. Pull-ups, strengthen your back and grip for clinch work. Why flexibility matters. Thai fighters used to skip stretching, but times have changed. Flexibility prevents injuries and helps you kick higher and faster. Best stretches for Muay Thai. Hamstring stretch, helps with high kicks. Hip openers, improves knee strikes and mobility. Spinal twists, loosens your core for better rotation. Stretch after every session. Start slow and focus on consistency. Interval and circuit training. Fights aren't steady. They're bursts of action followed by moments of recovery. Train like you fight. Intervals. Sprint for 15 seconds, jog for 30. Repeat for 10 rounds. Circuits. Combine exercises like bag work, push-ups, and shadowboxing into one continuous workout. No rest. Example. Circuit, 3 minutes per station. Bag work, mix punches, kicks, and knees. Push-ups, hit your chest and arms hard. Sit-ups, keep your core strong. Kicks, practice speed and accuracy. The mindset of a fighter. Discipline beats motivation. Some days, you won't feel like training. Do it anyway. The grind is what separates real fighters from everyone else. Here's your 3-week training plan. Morning, endurance training. Run 10 kilometers or skip rope for 15 minutes. Evening, Muay Thai practice. 10 minutes of shadow boxing. Practice punches and elbow strikes. 20 minutes of bag work. Focus on kicks and elbow strikes using a punching bag. Progression plan. After 3 weeks, you'll feel stronger and more confident. But don't stop here, step it up. Increase training time. Gradually add 5 to 10 minutes to each session. Weighted shadowboxing. Use light dumbbells or weighted wristbands during shadowboxing to build arm strength. Combine moves. Mix punches, kicks, and elbow strikes into combos. This simulates real fighting scenarios. The brutal truth about Muay Thai. Muay Thai isn't just about throwing punches or perfecting a kick. It's about building discipline. You'll sweat a lot, ache in muscles you didn't know existed, and sometimes you'll feel like quitting. But here's the thing. Every session chips away at your weakness. Every drop of sweat, every aching muscle, and every moment of doubt is molding you into a stronger, sharper version of yourself. Not just physically, but mentally too. Discipline is what separates average fighters from champions. It's showing up when you're tired. It's pushing through when your body screams, stop. It's sticking to the grind even on the days you don't feel like it. Muay Thai forces you to be honest with yourself. Are you willing to put in the work? Because there's no shortcut. This isn't just a workout, it's a commitment. Why you need a dojo. You can watch 100 tutorials and practice at home, but real growth happens in the dojo. A coach doesn't just teach you technique, they hold you accountable. They'll correct your form, push you past your comfort zone, and make sure you're sparring safely. Training in a dojo also means community. You're surrounded by fighters who are just as hungry to improve as you are. Iron sharpens iron. If you've been shadowboxing in your living room, that's a great start. But don't stop there. Once you've got the basics down, find a local Muay Thai gym. A good coach and a group of like-minded fighters will take you further than you could ever go alone. Muay Thai isn't just about fighting. It's about transforming yourself. It's about setting goals and smashing through them. It's about sharpening your mind, controlling your emotions, and learning to stay calm under pressure. The lessons you learn in Muay Thai will spill over into every part of your life. You'll carry yourself differently. You'll walk with confidence, knowing you've faced your fears in the ring, sweat, ache, and grow. Every punch you throw, every kick you land, every second you spend sparring, these aren't just movements, they're proof that you're willing to grow. The aches in your muscles are signs that you've pushed your limits. The sweat dripping off your face is evidence of your effort. Growth doesn't come easy, and Muay Thai is a constant reminder of that. Muay Thai training is a full-body workout like no other. You'll shred fat, build lean muscle, and improve your cardiovascular endurance. But it's not just about aesthetics. You're building a body that's strong, fast, and efficient. A body that can deliver devastating strikes and absorb hits without crumbling. A Muay Thai fighter isn't just strong, they're smart. The ring teaches you strategy, timing, and how to read your opponent. It forces you to think quickly and adapt under pressure. Every fight is a mental chess match, and training prepares you for that. The confidence you build in the ring will spill over into your daily life. You'll think faster, stay calmer, and handle challenges with a warrior's mindset. You have more inside you than you think. Muay Thai will bring it out. It's not just about winning fights. It's about unleashing your potential. It's about proving to yourself that you're capable of more than you imagined. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to take their skills to the next level, Muay Thai is your path to unlocking that hidden strength. No more excuses. Stop scrolling. Stop making excuses. If you're serious about changing your life, start training. Muay Thai isn't just a sport, it's a way of life. It's about discipline, growth, and transformation. Every day you wait is a day you could have spent becoming stronger. So lace up your gloves, step into the dojo, and start your journey. Your future self is waiting, and they're stronger, sharper, and more disciplined than you ever thought possible. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.